Video number 8. Once again, let me ask you, what does it mean in the context of this problem if we get an answer of no solution? What was the original question? That's right. After how many seconds will it take for the ball to be 25 meters high? It'll never get that high. The ball will never get that high. It'll never reach it. When will the ball hit the ground? What is true of ground level? H equals 0. That's right. So let's plug in 0 for our H. 0 equals 20t minus 5t squared. And the thing I like about this is I see a GCF. What's your GCF? 5t. You can actually use this, use the quadratic equation to solve this, but I think it's easier to do this. Let's factor out a 5t. 5t multiplied by what gives you 20t? 4. 5t multiplied by what gives you negative 5t squared? Negative 1t? Okay. That means that this guy right here, that factor has to be 0. 5t must be 0, so t equals what? 0 seconds. Or this guy right here has to be 0. 4 minus t has to be 0. If I add t to both sides, 4 equals t, or time equals 4 seconds. When will the ball hit the ground? In 4 seconds. Yeah. Yay. Did you get that for an answer? All right. Is it in the answer bank? All right. We're almost done. Number 10. A golf ball is hit into the air. The path of the ball can be described by the equation h equals negative 70t minus 5t squared, where h is the height of the ball in meters and t is the time in seconds. Question A, how high is the ball after 3 seconds? Question B, after how many seconds will the ball be 169 meters high? C, when will the ball hit the ground? Isn't this just like the last question? Let's do it. Do it just like the last question. Part A, time equals 3 seconds, so let's plug that in for t and solve for h. Did you guys get 165 meters for part A? All right, let's work part B. After how many seconds will the ball be 169 meters high? Plug 169 in for your h, and then put it in standard form. That's right. Put it in standard form. Standard form, how'd I do? Looks good? Find your A, B, and C. Now substitute it into the quadratic equation. And slowly but surely start working this out. Work your discriminant first, then take the square root, then finish it up. My discriminant's positive, so I should get 2 solutions. Is that looking like what you're getting? One of my answers is going to be negative 70 plus 38.99, that whole quantity, divided by negative 10. Yeah? Yeah, you could. Negative 70 minus 38.